Here we have roasted oysters with citrus garlic butter and charred lemon from Chef Bobby Matos of State of Grace Restaurant in Houston. So Rory, when you think of oysters, what do you think of?
Aperol spritzes, summertime, patio seating.
Totally, and so many people do, but the funny thing is oysters are actually at their best in the winter months. So as the person who tested this at home, how did it go?
It went great. It's a great recipe. I'm not great at shucking oysters, so I just called my fishmonger ahead of time and had them shuck them for me.
That's a great idea, especially for those less comfortable with shucking oysters, which is a huge pain.
Yeah, it takes a long time.
A little bit of a time suck. I feel like the magic of these oysters is really in the compound butter that you dab on top of them before roasting them. Can you tell us a little bit about what goes into the butter?
Sure. In the butter, there's lemon juice, lemon zest, there's parsley, garlic, quite a bit of garlic, and togarashi and furikake.
I'm a big fan of the wine that Bobby Matos paired this with. So Grüner Veltliner is an Austrian white grape. It tends to be a little bit peppery and herbaceous, and it's got sort of lemon and pear fruit notes that just all tie in really well. There's like a minerally depth that hits at the oyster flavor. I feel like it just works really well.
Yeah, it was really great.
Cool. Well, thank you for telling us a little bit about what it was like for you to cook this at home.
Of course.
Cheers.
Cheers.